Myself, Sahil Nadab. My topic name is Contribution of Indian Mathematician and Mathematics. Mathematicians are Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Mahavira, and Bhaskaracharya. Nature of mathematics: it is a science and number and space. Our language, science, symbols, terms, and operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It involves mind's high cognitive powers, as own tools like intuition, logic, reasoning, analysis, etc. Helps in drawing conclusions and interpreting various ideas. The tool specifically used for dealing with abstract ideas helps in solving problems of our life for today's life. Mathematics and the physical world. If we take physics, we see that its study requires the knowledge of mathematics at every point. At the physical laws, laws of motion, laws of level, etc., can only be understood and applied with the help of understanding of mathematics. The need of numerical calculation dealing with the problems in physics clearly reveals the value of mathematics in learning physics, such as Newton's law, Einstein equations, etc. Ramanujan was born in 22 December 1887 in a small village, Tanjore district, Madras. He failed English intermediate, so his formal studies were stopped. His self-study of mathematics continued. He set a 120 theorems of Professor Hardy, Cambridge. As a result, invited Ramanujan to England. Ramanujan showed that any big number can be written as sum of not more than 4 prime numbers. Show how to divide the number into 2 or more squares or cubes. Aryabhatta was born in 476, Kusumpura, India. He was the first person to say that Earth is spherical, revolves around the Sun. He gave the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. He thought the method of solving the problems 1 raised to 4 plus 2 raised to 4 plus 3 raised to 4 plus 4 raised to 4 and so on n raised to 4 is equal to n of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into 3n square plus 3n minus 1 divided by 30. Brahmagupta was born in 598 Pakistan, today in India. He gave 4 methods of multiplication, also following the formulas GP series a plus ar square plus ar cube and so on plus ar raised to n minus 1 equal to ar raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Also gives a b c d equal to square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c into s minus d, where 2s equal to a plus b plus c plus d for the cyclic quadrilateral. Bhaskaracharya was born in village of Mysore district. He gives the first view that any number divided by 0 gives to infinity. He has written a lot about zeros, sorts, permutation and combination. He wrote the 100th part of circumference of a circle seems to be straight. Our earth is big sphere. That's why it appears to be flat. He gave the formula like sin a plus or minus b equal to sin a into cos b plus or minus cos a into sin b. Mahavira was a 9th century Indian mathematician from Gulbarga who asserted the square root of a negative number did not exist. He gave the sum of a series whose terms are squares of an arithmetical progression and empirical rules for area perimeter of an ellipse. He was patronized by the great Utkarshika king Amogavarsha. Mahavira was the author of Ganita Sara Sangraha. He separated astrology from mathematics. He expounded on the same subjects on which Aryabhatta and Brahmagupta contended, but he expressed them more clearly. He is highly respected among Indian mathematicians because of his establishment of terminology for concepts such as equilateral, isosceles, triangle, rhombus, circle, and semicircle. Mahavira's eminence spread in all South India. His books provided inspiration to the other mathematicians in southern India. Aryabhatta quadratic equations. Trigonometry. He gives the trigonometry tables, the value of pi up to 4 decimal places 3.142, arithmetic, algebra, mathematical astronomy, calculus. Mathematical astronomy like planet motion, circumference, etc. and differential calculus. He made algebra system. Varahamihira in the 5th 505 to 587 produced the Panchas Siddhanta and the 5 astronomical canons. He made important contributions to trigonometry, including sine and cosine tables, to 4 decimal places for accuracy and the following formulas relating to sine and cosine functions. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Conclusion. The contribution of these mathematicians are tremendous in the field of mathematics. They gave a new era to modern mathematics. Their methods are still around us. We are playing it. They gave some unique view to the world of mathematics, which is unforgettable. If we compare up the situation under which they worked all and achieved this, we come to realize that is great achievement for them. Which means that these mathematicians are gives practical information about mathematics, which is accurate based education.